When I heard that we were getting solar panels, I thought it was a great idea because solar panels are reusable energy. It combines the technology because it's made of solar cells and the sun because it's nature. It combines it to give us a healthy energy to use.
We've now begun to integrate it into the academic curriculum that the students are learning. All the students can now participate, and you can make that connection of, because of those panels using the sun's energy, we're not drawing more energy through coal or oil or however it is that we're getting it, and beginning to connect those dots for them in a really tangible way.
What do you want to do when you grow up? Have you decided?
Probably a biologist or someone that can just help wildlife using technology maybe.
I think it also provides a great example of how we as a community can really make a difference towards climate change when we join together and do something on this type of scale where it's affecting so many different locations and we're drawing so much energy off of a source that is available to us always. They are the ones who are going to take the banner. You know, we might be laying the path on which they're going to walk, but they're the ones who are actually going to make the real change. So the more that they can see, it's not just a fear that you have no control over, but something that you actually can collectively join together and do something about, that's what you want to do. And it really begins to help them to realize that they have the ability to change how this story ends.